What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. I am your host, resident day trader, and your brother in the struggle. The name is Hassan. Man, the crew is already in the live chat. I didn't even know y'all could do that. Man, it's Fun Friday. We got Signature Trading in the building. Brent, Pond Trading, my guy, Three Pony. Man, what's up, you guys? It is looking good already, man. The market's gapping up. Bitcoin is up. Futures are up. AMD looks really strong relative to the market. Nvidia looks good. Man, you guys know that MMM. After I raised my stop up and it came and hit it, it went up to 97.37. Closed out at the high of day. Wild. It was time to go though. Let's see, what's Cake doing? We had a who's that? We had Signature. We had a promise from Signature on Cake. We'll see if it bounces back. It's above the close. Hey, what's up, Olu? Happy Friday. Yeah, TSM is what has all the conductors going up right now. MU is looking good as well, actually. Who do I want to swap MU for? Maybe Microsoft. Microsoft looking real crappy. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, I've definitely been becoming more conscious of those numbers, man. The CPI and all that stuff definitely has a big effect on the market. But I am excited. I at least got to catch one opportunity out of all these nice strong pre-market movers. I like that the SPY is lagging below VWAP right now, and we got AMD running up, Nvidia running up. TSM's not as strong as everybody else, but it's never dipped below VWAP when the SPY did. MU's running up. We got a lot of relative strength. Netflix normally doesn't do anything pre-market, and even it had a nice pop. Bitcoin is up. Where's Bitcoin at? Let me check Bitcoin. It ain't up that high, but it's up from 61.5. It's up at 63.5, so that's a nice move up. I heard about it. That was good enough for me, man. That's why I got it up right here. Let me see. We'll pull it up real quick. TSM. Super cycle upside. We are live. Look at that. Expecting a little pullback off some of these off the open. Nvidia's pulling back. Man, I hope the SPY has a good day today, man. I really want like a nice bullish confirmation from the SPY. Morning, Ben. Please, guys, hit that like button on your way in. Por favor. Man, I hope they don't go too crazy. MU already went up $1 almost. Slow down, guys. I'm trying to catch a ride. What you trading, Ben? You messing with Invax, Ben? That's been all the rage. That thing over doubled in price in pre-market. Wow, AMD is wild. Man, it's going to be hard for me to catch a ride on these. I can already tell. They're going to explode. Hope I don't FOMO into anything stupid today. Man, I want to get in NVIDIA right now. Gotta be patient though. No FOMO. No FOMO. Want to end the week strong. Oh, that's a nice opening candle on the 2-minute on Invax. I don't know if it's gonna hold though. It's already pulling back. I'd be scared all that action that traded pre-market. I wouldn't know what to expect. Boy, look at 3M with a strong open today. That thing barely had any volume yesterday, but today, that thing is moving. Ah, man, look at AMD, man. Yeah. 906.27. You taking the high? I was thinking the same thing, man. Although, man. Oh, man, I really like that too right there, Olu. Basically a 5-minute opening range breakout right there. I might have to take that one. Man, it's like a $5 stop. I'm in there, Olu. It's a little early for as violent as that thing's whipping, and I'm not giving it as much room as you are. Which I probably should have. Oh, wait, 10 shares. I can't give it that much risk with 10 shares. Oh, man, we're about to take the first loss right here. Got way too many shares. Way too many shares. I don't know what I was thinking there. I meant to get 5. Yeah, this action is very intense. Hopefully I'll survive. I'll risk a little bit more than normal. I'm probably going to take 5 shares out pretty quick. That's a huge topping tail right there, too. Yeah, this is bad. AMD is one, too, man. I need to be patient and wait for a good pullback, but AMD pretty much the same setup. I'm going to have to be a little aggressive this morning. Yeah, I know, Pond. My bad. I forgot to switch over to this screen right here. I want TSM. I wanted AMD too, actually. I don't like that top and tail right there. I'm going to chill out. I got too much risk on already. I bet you I take MMM right here, though. 99.40. See if that thing holds 99. Closes up nice on the 2 minute. Ooh, Nvidia's bad. I should have taken out at break even, man. Just got too many shares on that one. Might survive. Might survive. My bad. I keep forgetting to hold it over here. Oh, man. If this thing holds 903 and explodes over the top, we're going to be caking. This is a nice candle, though. This would have been a good buy at this candle with a lot less stress. Man, I missed AMD. Should have been YOLOing into AMD. Come on, Nvidia. Hold yourself up. Hold yourself up, man. It could go away so fast. It sucks because if it stops me out, it'll probably still go up and without me. Come on, baby. All right, MMM don't look like it's going to be doing anything. TSM looks good, though. Ooh, that looks bad on Nvidia. What's that? 67 shares. It's like 80 cents. So 35.
Whew, we might have survived NVIDIA. We might have survived. Yeah. I mean, I had my stop up at 2 R's. I mean, at 1 R. So, I was just going to take it on the chin. Dang, man, look at MU. I was going to take it on the chin, but, it looked like it wanted to hold 93. I mean, 903. Might be all right. Fun Friday, right? Oh, man. Come on, NVIDIA. Bruh, NVIDIA, look at this little bitty day NVIDIA moved. Oh my God. That's way too low of a profit target. Oh, Lou, what's your target, man? Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. Let's see. All right, this little bitty day, it moved. Oh my God. $17 on this big day. It moves $28. Oh my God. 9.15. $10. That's reasonable. All right. What else we got? Dang, look at Netflix. That's too far. Before news at 10. This looks good right here. I would like to see one more pullback on AMD. $121.33. TSM kind of died out a little bit. That's a lower high, ain't it? All right, we just popped in AMD. $0.31. Why is my stop that tight? Alright. Michigan inflation in 16 minutes. Yo, look at NVIDIA, y'all. Oh, Lou, what we doing? Oh my God. Yo. Oh my God. We're at 9:13. Oh my God. I got a feeling, y'all. I got a feeling. Partial. Yeah, that thing's pretty far up there. Oh boy. I should have partial because I sure don't want to sit through a pullback at all on NVIDIA. Who knows where that thing could go. It's a nice level though. I don't remember where I drew it, but it seems to be reacting. Let's go, man. Yo. The crazy thing though is things could go crashing down very quickly. Do you see the money on the table? Come on, NVIDIA. Please. Go to your home. I need to put targets on this stuff. I ain't even got targets. Got 80 shares. 156. You in TSM too? I'm saying, man, it's getting crazy right now. Yeah, I had to jump in TSM, Olu. It's looking too good. It's the main one with news, you know what I mean? Come on, NVIDIA. Make that next pop. Make that next move up. Yeah, we just getting started, Pond. I'm flexing my diamond hands today. I think 3R would have been nice to take, but 2-minute starter at TSM.
Yeah, man. I hope we can all bank today, man. Oh, it'd be nice to finish the week strong. Would be so nice. All right, I need to figure out some realistic targets. I need to figure out some realistic targets on everything. TSM, I mean, MU ain't really been that much of a mover. It's already moved more than normal. I hate it when this doesn't work. 121.37, 121.28. Okay, we already didn't hit that. Uh-oh. Oh, man, the market's pulling back. What is happening? Stop it, you guys. Stop it, you guys. Go back up. Whoa, like these green bids coming in. Come on now. I think I'll be sweating this fast. I got a lot of risk on the table right now. If the whole market rolls over, the morning to be finished. Thanks, Pond. I didn't want to be scared to be aggressive in this type of moment. Like this is what I've been waiting for, some strength in the market. And I gotta attack, I gotta attack. My account's been taking some severe hits in the last few weeks. So I gotta make this day count. Come on, SPY. You are the key. It's a nice candle right there. MGNX in my swing portfolio. Take my mind off all this pressure right now. Ooh. Oh my God. What a crazy gap down. Wow, from 1438 to 4. See, this is the type of stuff that got me scared to swing trade, man. That's crazy. Did they have earnings? Bad news. Oh, man. I'm sorry to hear that, bro. That is quite a drop. Whew, 2K. Man, that's all right, man. We'll get it back. We'll get it back. Don't say, I was just about to say. Just don't tell the wife, bro. Just don't tell the wife. I'm about to add to NVIDIA. Just a little bit. Yes, sir. $1.66. 905.15. Man, he sure did. Oh, is Cake running again today? Hey, there you go. All right, signature. Nice. Come on, market. Three. Oh, that's a little tight. I would have rather kept that below VWAP. Would have definitely rather kept that below VWAP. I don't know which direction the SPY is going to go from here. It looks more down than up, honestly. Okay, AMD still going up, though. MU still looks strong. Okay, we might be all right. 2 minutes till Michigan inflation. You think that's going to affect the whole market? It's feeling kind of sketchy in this moment. I'll tell you that, bro. I'm getting a little. I got a lot of risk on, man, and it ain't. I sure hope it's good news, Pine, because I got a lot on the table right now, and it's looking like a pullback, honestly, especially on AMD. I shouldn't have added right there. I should have waited for a touch to VWAP, because now it look like I'm about to get stopped out. Nah, ain't none of them in the money. I still got all risk on the table. I got $100 risk on the table right now. If everything goes bad, everything goes bad. Honestly, the only one that's looking sketch is AMD. Everything else looks pretty good. The way Nvidia moves, though, I mean, it could turn around and crash at any moment. I really need oh man, AMD looks like it's about to come and get me. It's gonna stop me at Look at the market drop. Oh my god. Bruh. Man. Man, you wasn't lying, Pond. You was not lying.
my God, the SPY is tanking. Looks like I'm about to lose my MU also. Nvidia's very sketchy as well. Oh man, what a turnaround to the morning. I'm just gonna tuck this just under 905. Yeah, shouldn't have added right there on AMD, man. I think I would have been safe if I didn't add. AMD looked like it had the most relative strength too. That thing struggling the most out of everything. TSM looking good though. Is this all time? Oh no, almost all time highs. Yeah, for sure. For sure. Definitely could have taken profits at the top over there on Nvidia. I just realized what I was holding, man. Nvidia can really go crazy. AMD is finished because it made a lower high on the way down, so I can't even jump back in it without breaking rules. I'm done with that. I'm done with that lifestyle. All right, what can I expect here? What can I expect here on TSM? 41, 286. 151.36. That's a lot. Not really. Man, MU about to stop out too. I can't trade nothing else. I gotta see some stuff out. MU is looking like it's trying to let me out. Too bad my stop is up so tight. It would have been nice to add right here. I can't add anything. Might survive Nvidia. I like the way it's starting to look. Yeah, I keep getting caught up in those types of things. Looks like it's not over. Not out the woods yet. Come on, Nvidia. Come on, man. Yeah. I bet. Man, I started to keep cake up this morning too. This would have been a nice entry here and a nice ad right there. I didn't even give it a chance. Yeah, cake is rolling nice, Signature. Nvidia, don't do it. Don't do it. Dang on 50-cent spread. Oh my God. Dang, this got so bad so fast. Oh my God. I should have sold everything as soon as you said something about that Michigan report coming out. I should have just sold it all. Man, what's up? Really nice, man. Thought I was gonna have like a $300 day for a second. That's what I was thinking, Signature. And the market crashed. Yeah, I've been learning a lot of hard lessons around market news lately. A lot of them. Like, I've never felt that impacted by it. But I guess because back then I was trading low floats and they kind of seem to trade in their own little world. But these big caps, definitely, man, it's like very important what the market has going on. Let's see, this low here is
49.04. AMD dropped all the way down, and Nvidia. Man, why didn't I have cake up, man? Yeah, you survived everything, Olu? I sure didn't, man. I managed those trades terribly given the situation. Hope you did better than me. Man, AMD just made a low of day. So did the SPY. Yeah, I think I'm done with Apple and Tesla, man. I don't like those. I looked at them this morning for a second and I was just like, nah, I'm good. What's up, Brick? Man, it was looking like an amazing morning, man. Oh, man. It was looking like an amazing morning, Brick. And then the market rolled over and rolled me over too. I was super aggressive. I was jumping in. I jumped in 4 positions. And man, I was up. I was up real nice, man. I was up real nice. And the only thing that didn't stop out when the market rolled over was TSM. So I'm thinking if the market can find some wheels again, it might do okay, but it doesn't look good. It doesn't look good. There's cake coming back down. It's already done moved up too much though to me. It actually looks like a good buy as far as the setup, but it's like second All right, Signature. Take care, man. Hopefully I can have a red to green move by the time you come back. CELH. Oh, that's why people were talking about Celsius this morning. Ooh, that looks pretty nice right here. That looks real nice right here. Right over 87. I'm not at liberty to put any risk on right now, though. But that looks interesting. It's kind of, I don't know. It looks like it's in a turning point. Wow. How'd you do that? At 82.92? Well done there, sir. TSM, the last hope. Man, it's not looking good. What a tragic day this would be to stop out Max loss after being up so much and just staring at it all. The market been doing this a lot to me lately. Not that I'm blaming the market, but oh, here we go. Here we go. Well, nice going, man. Oh man, how did this happen? Got destroyed on a Friday. I had a dentist appointment this morning that I skipped on to trade. I should have went to the dentist. I should have taken profit on TSM over 150 too. That was silly. This was a great entry. Should have taken profit. See, when I have a day where I start getting 4R, it always throws me off because then I want to get 4R on everything. And I lose my ability to be reasonable as far as profit taking. I actually wanted to get an AMD here, but I missed it focusing on something else. But I mean, this wasn't a terrible entry. And then it just like, what the heck, man? This NVIDIA was a good entry, assuming I could have put my stop under there. I did share size too much, so I had to have my stop here, but it still worked out. Had I bought here and stopped properly, I could have added here and then raised my stop up tight, and maybe then I would have been willing to take profit way up here. TSM trade, great. MU trade, not bad at all. Just one of those days in the market. I'm not mad at myself though. I'm a little mad I didn't take profit, but I mean, when you're up that much, like right off the bat, you know, I don't know. Just assume that you have a good possibility of having a strong day in the market. So I put my stop loss underneath support. So like when I enter on a pattern like this, I'm either going to want to put my stop loss here. If this is a narrow range, I'll put it all the way to low a day, but I wanted a little more leverage, so ideally I wanted to put my stop underneath this candle, underneath this bottoming tail. And I share size appropriately, but I mean, there's no issues with my stop loss placement. It's just the market rolled over. Yeah, I mean, you could say maybe I shouldn't have added on AMD, but it wouldn't have mattered. I would have got stopped out either way. So when I enter here, I want my stop loss underneath there, underneath the lows of those candles. I'll move it if I get way into profit and there's a new level of support that I feel like I can drag my stop loss to. Like if this ad right here made a new high, I would have moved my stop. Well, I was moving my stop anyway because of the ad. I moved my stop up underneath this level. But had I not added and this broke a new high right here, I would have brought my stop up to there. But in general, I don't really like to move my stop unless I'm way. I should have moved it up in NVIDIA, but I added, so it didn't really. It kind of nullified moving up the stop. Golly, that sucks. That sucks. But it does suck. But I don't feel like I did bad trading. I mean, yeah, I did oversize in NVIDIA. That was for sure. But that was a calculation mistake. Had I, I got double the shares, so I had to put my stop here. But if I would have sized appropriately, my stop would have been under this red candle right here, which was more than safe to get to profit. And I was up at least 3R up here. I told myself yesterday that I was going to take 3R just no matter what. Always put your take profit at 3R and just be happy with that, Yeah, that part. Yeah, man, I should have put some eggs in cake, man. I don't know why I didn't put it up. I guess because it didn't have any pre-market action at all. But I had MM up just because I was trading it yesterday. I should have had cake up. But hindsight, Man, y'all gotta hit the like button for me, man. That's all I got going for today.
Yeah, but oh yeah, that's what I was doing. I was about to look at the SPY. Eggs and cake. Right. Hmm. Yeah, man. I thought we were gonna make it up to the 24 level before we really ran into some serious resistance. But this wasn't resistance. This was news, I guess. Inflation reports. Yeah, I just got ahead of myself. Look at the market now. Man, and the stocks I jumped in had all the relative strength in the world in pre-market. Like SPY was trending down here below VWAP, and all of these were holding above VWAP, making new highs. It just looked like it was gonna be straight. Mm-mm-mm. Cake. Nah, I don't know. I haven't looked at the chart like that, but oh, excuse me. Alhamdulillah. Yeah. Yeah, now's not the time for a long. And if you're short, it's probably a good time to start taking profits. Wow. I shouldn't have put this. I wouldn't have put this third trade on, this fourth trade on, because I really hate losing. Like 3R is like, okay, you lost 3R. But once the loss gets in the hundreds, it's really like, I don't like that at all. But I felt so confident. I should have moved something into break even before I added that fourth trade. Yeah. I shouldn't have added on NVIDIA. I should have just moved my stop up to break even. And then same with TSM. TSM and NVIDIA both should have been at break even because they both went up to really good targets. So I will say that would have been a better management. When it gets way up there, you got to give yourself break even. I could have brought it up to break even and still been well below VWAP. Same with NVIDIA. This was a no-brainer. Bring your stop up to break even. So, yeah, I think when I don't sell on the first run up, you got to bring your stop up to break even. I used to have kind of a light rule of when I got to 2R in profits, I would automatically raise my stop up to break even. If I don't sell, you got to move to break. Something has to happen at 2R.
either take profits or move to break even. So I need to bring that back. I haven't really developed a lot of my good trade management because I've gotten really good at managing the losers, but I gotta tighten up on my taking profit and moving my stops into break even when there is profit. Because Nvidia and TSM were really nice. Dang, man. Cake just bounced off VWAP. I had Microsoft up, but I took it off. It did end up moving up pretty nicely. Not much of an entry though. Yeah, it looks like it's starting to see some green bars. I can't even help myself. Oh man. Go from feeling like a rock star one moment and now you think uh, rock star to tragic. Man, it's a lot of Fed speaking going on today. Yeah, today was definitely the day to go to the dentist. Oh man. My wife made that appointment too. She gonna be like, "Did you go to your dentist appointment?" I'm like, nah, I had to trade. Trade? Well, how'd you do? I don't want to talk about it. It wasn't my fault. uh, Definitely on Nvidia and TSM. I feel like I could start seeing the signs that you got to take profit. I'm telling you, man. Got a root canal in the market today. But like this aggressive move up with lots of volume pumping, you know it's gonna fall back down quite a bit after that. It can't sustain this for long. TSM, I had 35 shares. It went to 150.50 and I was in at 148.50. Are you serious? Man, that was almost 2R. I mean, almost 3R there. It would have made so much sense to get out at 50.47. All right, Olu. Yeah, I wish I would have saved some risk bricks so I could trade. I could have just one more trade. I don't know, man. My mindset. I don't know if I would have been patient enough to actually take the right trade after all this. Never buy after a lower high has been helping a lot, though. I don't know, man. I don't really trade with moving averages. I like having them on my daily charts, but I just don't want to add any more elements, any more variables into my decision making. Honestly, man, I think it would have been fine if the market didn't crash. Just a lot of selling pressure, man. Just a lot of selling pressure. And I'm not one that's going to hop out at the first sign of danger, because I've seen so many things pull back and then continue going up. And it's like, as long as my stop is in a safe spot, I've survived a lot of pullbacks and gotten to target by keeping my stop in a safe spot. And that's why I don't like moving my stop up, because I've gotten stopped out so many times and watched it go to target. And just emotionally, I feel better about stopping out than raising my stop to save, half an R or an R and missing out on 2 or 3 R. Man, bro, I know the bounce back is going to be strong and I can't even participate. I'm really like wanting to. What would I do? I don't know, man. I would probably see if TSM throws a higher high over this and makes a higher low retest. You could draw some trend lines maybe and see if you see I don't know. Cake looks really strong. I don't know how much juice it would have for the rest of the day. It's already moved up quite a bit. But TSM is the one that has news, so I would probably wait to see if this thing starts uptrending. I really want to wait to see what the SPY is going to do, though. Yeah, I would too, Brick. I honestly, man, like, look at all this speaking that's supposed to happen today. Like, it's not even done. All these Fed speaking, the market's going to be wild and unpredictable, man. Just wait till Monday, bro. And I know if somebody's telling me that, I wouldn't listen either. I would still trade. But now that I'm out and I can't trade, I feel like reason is it's easier to be more reasonable and go ahead and sit out. But yeah, bro, it's hard, man. But yeah, if I was gonna trade, I would be watching TSM, because look how strong it was while the market was pulling way back. Look how TSM still hung out around VWAP, So I would look for it to make a high over this level. I'd look for it to make a higher high over this or even over this. And then come back and, throw a higher low above VWAP and hold VWAP. Then I think you probably got a good chance of getting back up to 150. But until it does that. And I don't trust the market, man. I just don't trust the market. You can't. There goes Cake, though. Cake just made a higher high. Hello. Oh. Cake just made a higher high right there. 37.62. Well, kind of a double top with this. But yeah, so we got a higher high above that. I would say if it made a higher low and held VWAP, that might be interesting, but I don't know if I would expect much more than high a day. Maybe it get to 38. High yesterday was 37.89. And it got up to 37.77. So I don't know. But the way the SPY's looking, going long on something right now is, I would say, is reckless. Because that relative strength only lasts so long. There goes TSM. Nah, TSM is just made a higher high over this first level I was talking about right here. This high is 48. It just tapped 50, so got a higher high above this level now already. So you got your higher high on TSM. Look at it on the 5. And the 15. I think it looks pretty darn good for a move up, honestly. But, I'd want to wait for some red. You don't buy the green, you buy the red. Might not give you a shot, though. It looks like it's about to pump. But, yeah. TSM's probably the one to watch. That might be the higher low on cake right there. And, you might be able to ride cake to a new high day just off of that little pullback there. Higher high and pullback. But, just got to manage risk. Got to manage risk. It's always risky. So, ain't no trade going to be guaranteed. But cake is definitely relatively strong. It actually looks good on the 5 and 15 as well. TSM looks golden. TSM has a lot of relative strength. Cake doesn't have the volume. TSM has the volume. 10 million shares traded today. Yeah, I would, man, if you could get TSM down here at like 14.20, I don't know if it's going to come back for anybody, though. Dang, man. I wish I had some buying power. Call my broker, man. Let me get another trade, bro. Just let me get one trade. Just one trade. Will you get a little pullback? Okay, here it comes. All right, Pond. Thanks for hanging out, man. I'm gonna start taking some of your advice. Don't give up on me, Pond. uh, later, bro. What time is it? I guess I can put my raggedy P&L back up on the big screen. I appreciate it, man. I definitely appreciate it. Dang, man. Today was about to be so fired. I was just waiting to hit this emoji button right here, man. I've been waiting for a day to pull that one out, and today was going to be the day. Instead, should take a long walk. Alright, here's the pullback on TSM. Nice low volume pullback. Don't want to come too far in. I really like for it to hold right about here. Right about 1420. Maybe a little bitty, little peep tail at the bottom. Little peep. Yeah, this ain't bad though. If I was itching to take a trade like Brick over there, I'll probably be watching this one. but look at the SPY though. The SPY just made another low of day on big red candles. At the same time, TSM is definitely showing some relative strength. But look, it just can't. You can't fight the market, man. The market is really pulling down. But I do like this area. This is pretty much where I would want to buy. And then I'd want to put my stop underneath VWAP if I could. Like if you could put your stop underneath this level right here, that would be the safest place. Right under there. But typically I just put it at the bottom of the candle that I enter. So I would put my top of this candle is 149.29, so I would put my order at 149.30, a stop entry, and my stop will go under the whole dollar at 148.97 maybe. So as soon as that thing breaks 149.30, we'll do a little fun paper trade. Little fun paper trade while we're here. As soon as we get a 30 print, we'll consider ourselves in the trade. We got 28. It's good timing too, because the SPY seem to have just found a little support on yesterday's close. All right, was that a 30 print? Yeah, all right, so we'll say we're in the trade. Let's do it like this. And uh-oh. Nah, we'll put it where I said. Well, 140. Put our stop right there. Yeah, that might be a little fake out. And then we'll take profit. What happened to my arrow? I wish that's what it was. My money counter go brr. All right, here we go. Here we go. And of course, this isn't gonna work out very well with the chart scrolling constantly, but we know where our entry is on this candle. And I'm telling you, Brick, one day, and take profit be up here near high day. I don't know if we're gonna survive. Market's turning back down again. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Yeah, man, if the SPY makes it back up just to this last high right here, I think we got a really good shot of getting to our profit target. Really good shot. Got some nice volume. Just came in. But we shall see. Looks like definitely some resistance right here. Nvidia looks real good over 900 also. It's on the low side though. I don't like going long on the low side. It's beneath the opening range, beneath VWAP, all of that stuff. So not calling that out, but it looks interesting on the chart anyway. It looks more like it would go back down actually. Might be a good short down to 895 again. We're going to ride this paper trade out, and then I'm going to probably get out of here, bro. I got an episode of X-Men 97 to catch up on. I forgot to watch on Wednesday. It's been getting real interesting. Here we go. All right, we got a new higher high in place. Oh, no, we don't. High was 70 right there. Oh, my God. Ellingford. You sound like me over here, bro. Yeah, we were talking about NVAX this morning, man. Thing had 30 million shares traded in pre-market, bro. I knew that thing was going to be wild. Dang, 3R though? Bro, I was up like 150 at one point. Like everything was green. It looked like I was going to have an epic day. And then the SPY happened, bro. Right about here was when it all went bad. I'm telling you, bro, just my position started stopping out one at a time, man. One at a time. All right, we got to get over 70, Brick. We got a little paper trade action going on here. Man, I know, bro. It happens to all of us, bro. From the noobs like me and the seasoned guys like you, bro. We're all human, man. Okay, there goes NVIDIA over 900. Guess it did want to go up. It looked like a possible. It just had a lower low, which made me doubt it. And it was bumping heads at 9. What was that, 72? Okay, we're over 70, Brick. I think we got 150. 150 should be easy from here. So then you would have to make the decision. Do you want to take out at 150? Do you want to go up to high of day, which is 150.50, which I would probably take out at 150.47 or something like that. Man, I feel good about my trades, Ellingford. Like, I don't feel like I did bad. Like, this entry on NVIDIA never touched my stop and went up to 3R, and I just sat there and looked at it because I wanted up to 915, which, you know, sounds like a good round figure to take profit at, you know, especially when this thing has a range of like $20. Yeah, that's exactly what it was. Yeah, I think so too, Brick. My AMD trade, you know, not a terrible entry. Not as good as one right here, but I was up okay in there, and then I added, hoping for it to keep moving up, and then market crashed right there. TSM was a great entry, right? TSM was a nice entry, bro. I had no business not taking profit there either. Yep, stopped out on that. MU was okay. Stopped out on that. But all right, anyway, back to TSM. All right, so we getting out at 150 brick, 149, 90, 94, 93, something like that. We got up to 93 already. Hey, man. Another paper trade in the back. Another good paper trade call out from the struggling day trader. GE, check you out. $164 long. You just almost made some money. Made some Monopoly money. Hey, y'all, don't forget to hit that like button for me and subscribe for more trading action. It's long for the weekend. Okay. So you doing a dip buy at 164? I don't know, man. What's stopping that thing from retesting 160? Actually, this is a nice little support right here over this candle. I can see what you're cooking. 163.65 is the high of this guy, although it didn't seem to really mind it any other time. Okay. This is definitely the day to catch some dips. Ole do it. What would TSM get to? 149.98. We definitely got TSM on that paper trade, Brick. Man. Boeing been having all kind of problems, man. Panels falling off. Boeing been having all kind of trouble. But GE, I don't know. I would kind of expect GE to move with Boeing. I guess it shouldn't, but let's compare the dailies. Okay. No. GE been moving up while Boeing's moving down. Okay. Where'd my mouse go? Oh, man, for real? Got the old Friezo. Froze my platform.
Red 210. Man, you having a big red day like me. Well, similar to me. Relatively. What's up, Brad? Yeah, bro. Ben, I was expecting that everything was gonna go up for the entire day. So I didn't take any profit on Nvidia, nor did I move my stop. Actually, I added right before the rollover. And AMD never really got high enough for me to move up my stop. I mean, I could have moved it up there, but I was too busy trying to add to my position. TSM definitely moved high enough for me to take profits, but I did not. And MU didn't really go high enough for me to take profits either. But yeah, they were all green at one point. But yeah, man, I did not survive this this big market rollover here. I did not. I just didn't anticipate it. Pond was telling me, man, he was like, "Yo, we got 2 minutes till this till this inflation report." And I'm like, "Oh, you think that'll affect the whole market?" And it's like, "Yeah, probably will." And yeah, I didn't do anything about it. I just sat there smiling, feeling all good about my green. I think I was up over 150 at one point, probably closer to 200 before it all turned around. Unrealized, of course. And yeah, just one by one, everything started stopping out. Man, congratulations, Brad. That's what's up, man. That's awesome. I am far from a green week this week. I was hoping today was gonna at least get me close to break even. No dice. But I feel good that I didn't do anything stupid. I needed to take profit. I needed to acknowledge. I definitely realized that when there's announcements and the Fed is speaking, or there's numbers being released, all of that is very significant to the stocks that I trade. To all these big caps, they are heavily influenced by all those numbers, CPI, inflation, all of that stuff. So I really just can't be as no matter how bullish or relatively strong the stock is, I gotta make sure, and I don't even want to be in the market during those times. Yeah, Brad, that's killer, bro. Let's count it up for Brad, man. For the green week. But yeah, I think I just don't even want to be in the market when there's getting ready to be a speech happening, or at least I gotta tighten up my stops. But yeah, I don't know, man. I really just want to say this ain't my fault, but I can always find things that I could have done better, like taking profit up here by my blue line, my blue resistance line that I have drawn
I could at least drag my stop underneath this red candle right here. Sold half something. Same with TSM. It's just like no excuse for not selling up here. At the $150 mark, like, you know that's a spot to sell. You know it. Just a little greedy, man. A little greedy. That ain't bad. That ain't bad. Considering you're red 210 today. So you had a decent week then. Man, did you make money on NVAX? NVAX was wild. Wow, bruh. 120 million shares traded. That's crazy. And it ain't even really done that much since the open. Oh man, that sucks. Yeah, it's only moved $1.40 today. I mean, I guess that's a lot for a $10 stock. It looks so calm right here, but when you zoom in, it looks crazy. That's what's up, Brad. Yeah, it looks wild. It looks wild. As long as you bought at VWAP and sold at the highs, you was good. What's up, Jay? Yeah. Oh, you're short? I hope you're short at close to $11. Because if not, you sweating right now. Hey, man. Gotta stick to your rules, Ben. That is the way. You have really good. I mean, just your mentality about your rules seems really good. Because, bro, I'll bend the rule quick. Short that trend line break. So, right here. Right at the $10 area. 10 to 10-20 area. That's what's up. I guess this is the trend line break up here. Okay. Yeah, that makes more sense. Once I drew the line, I could see. Man, Jay, I've been paying a lot of attention to the trend lines, man. I was drawing them yesterday. I didn't really have a chance to pay much attention to the trend lines today, but I actually probably could have gotten out of some of these a little earlier by just paying attention to that. Now that I'm thinking about it. Yeah, pretty much that right now, I guess. Let's see. Yeah, if I would have drawn one to that. Could have been like, yeah, that's a wrap. Stop was pretty much about right there anyway, though. GME. Oh, wow. Did you line chart? I don't think I got a line chart, bro. Oh, linear? Oh, haha. Looky there. Mm-hmm. Okay. Didn't even realize I could do that. What else? What other kind of charts I got in here? Hmm. That's weird. Hmm. Interesting. Hmm. What's the difference here? This is weird. How does the body change? I don't like this candle right here on the regular. It's all the way at the top because it closed 1 cent from the top, but it has a top wick on it. What does the body represent on the what's it called? Hikinashi. Hmm. That is interesting. Man. Well, all right, y'all. I'm gonna have to head on out. I got nothing else going today. But hey, man, we got a cool little Discord going, man. The link is in the description. We can always continue the chat, continue chatting and sharing ideas in the. Nice for heavy trending stocks. Interesting. I might have to Google that a little more and learn what the body means on that type of chart. But anyway, appreciate you guys hanging out with me. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hop in the Discord if we can hang out over the weekend, share ideas, all that good stuff. And I'll be with the posting the review video later to talk about how I got destroyed by the market today. All right, y'all. Have a good week.